Hey guys, this is Monster Jam Top Dog and this is the Field Trucks for Slam Series 1201. Here we go. Jackson Davis, you're in Bulldozer. I'm in Toro Loco. The Chugga Drive, you're in Dragon. The rest of the trucks you could choose from. Iron Warrior, Stone Crusher, Georgia, Whiplash, Dragon's Breath, 2 Months Fire Storm, Cover Crusher, Quick Clip Smoke Warrior, Queen Bee, Backshots, Predator, Zombie, King Crunch, Cyborg, Bone Brushes, Muscle Mutt, Grave Digger, Backwards Bob, Wildflower, Shock Therapy, Surf Octanator, Earth Max T, Alien Vision Ice, Superman, Eradication, Gravedigger Fire, and Dragon Ice. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.